So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer SafePal Money to your Cash App. Now in order to transfer funds from SafePal to Cash App, you will need to use a supported cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, so BTS, or rather BTC, sorry, as a bridge. So you can send fiat, so your so-called regular money like dollars or euros directly. You must send crypto from SafePal to your Cash App deposit address, then sell it for cash. Now to send SafePal money, you'll first need to access it. So find your Cash App deposit address, open your Cash App, and then go to banking or money tab, select Bitcoin and choose deposit Bitcoin. So then copy your Cash App BTC wallet address. So in this case, you can see the send option. And once you've done that, you can send some bridge. So in this case, it's going to be BTC to your Cash App wallet. So once you get to your Cash App, you can copy the Cash App and then send it to your copy your Cash App address, and you can send it to your BTC account. So once you've done that, it's going to be steadily or readily available to your Cash App funds, and then you can continue on with sending it using BTC as some sort of bridge between the two different apps. So just make sure that you have that wallet address and go to send to send those funds via BTC. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on SafePal or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.